Hello everyone, just an update about my CZ 485 250cc that I bought last year. I made 2 videos about it, so if you haven't watched them yet, go and watch it on my channel here. I am disassembling it at the moment to do it for soda blasting. I am not choosing sand blasting for the reason that it may damage more the frame or the tank mostly. So this is the engine here, looking nice. Obviously it needs a lot of more work. As I said, this bike is not about speed, it's more about torque. Although it is a 2-stroke 250, it is not a very fast bike. One may argue that it was outdated, maybe, for its time of 1980. But yeah, I searched a bit on them and they have quite reasonable torque, so that may compensate. These here are parts that I already disassembled from the bike. All will be taken for soda blasting, like the mudguards, etc. It crossed my mind of making it a scrambler, so with nickel mudguards and smaller round tank, and making it one-seater and maybe bigger shocks. But now I think I am going to make it as original as it can be, so back to its original state. A few days ago we also got this lovely little bike here. Unfortunately it is without an engine and without the wheels, but yeah, those doesn't matter. The thing is that it's without an engine. Apparently it is an Excelsior Consort 98cc. Well, it is 0cc at the moment, but originally it had a 98cc Villiers engine. So we were told that it is a Villiers, but yeah, after a search, apparently it is an Excelsior Consort, which were issued with a Villiers engine. Yeah, well, it has a lot of rust. It was sitting in a field for 5 years or so, open to the elements for the last 3 years, I think. The fork is quite nice. It looks a 40s fork, but I think it's a 50s model. Yeah, there's the detail here. Villiers. Yeah, but apparently it is an Excelsior, I think, and it's not a Villiers. I had the idea of fitting in a Yamaha DT125 engine into this thing. I can't imagine it would like do wheelies and stuff. But yeah, it looks okay, although full of rust. It's like a normal ornament right now. Great, I will keep you updated on the CZ. Keep following. Thank you.